And pigeon out in front of the pitcher's mound. Worley went over to shoo it away. It draws a smile from Miguel Cabrera. All fouled out of play. I mean, that is unbelievable. No concern whatsoever what's going on between the pitcher's mound and home plate.
And his buddy's coming up from behind. Yeah. He has a buddy right behind Vance.
Maybe we should call Vance Whirly Bird.
Cabrera, he's kind of taking his time going in, wondering whether or not he should go.
Now that's got to be crazy.
It's insane.
And it has to cause some disturbance here. I mean, everybody's acting like this is normal.
They're let them go.
Just let them go. Now Cabrera says, no, this can't continue. Come on. They could care less. So now the Whirlybird will try it.
It's hilarious.
And then they're going to go right back at it. And now they're closer to home plate. Whirly just rolled the baseball. Whirly just rolled the baseball. Oh man, you got to be kidding. Whirly rolls the baseball. And they could care less.
Duck pins.
Oh my, yeah.
I mean, pigeon
oh my
pins.
goodness.
None of this was going on. What happened? Kidding me? Who are all these people? You guys left a bunch of stuff for me to eat last night. 2-1. He looked up, saw the people standing up looking at him. He took off. I'm out of here. See ya.
There's a cat on the field. No kidding. There it comes across. There it is. Here, kitty.
Man, he is fast.
No doubt.
Something on the car.
Here we go. Cat-like quickness.
Where's a squirrel?
I
don't think he's done. He's still cruising.
Can't see him, but just look at the reaction of the people.
Yes. He is fast.
He must have landed somewhere. Somebody got him. Nice catch.
Whoa. It's a big cat, too.
A lot of games are delayed for a lot of reasons. I don't think I've ever seen a game delayed by bees. That's B-E-E-S. Not in the bat either, but on the camera. They have swarmed right on the screen behind home plate where the robo camera, the remote operated, is located, and you can see how many of them are there.
Relative, but they have been struggling, but not Matt Carpenter. Last 3 games, 5 for 11, batting .454. And check out this. We have a squirrel crawling up the net behind home plate. I'm not sure. Yeah, really. The squirrel and the Phillies and the Cardinals, that's not something we want to talk about. It's just bad luck. Yeah. Here's Almont, the 1-2 pitch. That's inside. It's 2-2. Does he take it all the way out? I don't know. This may not end well. And he's going to try. I didn't think that was going to happen. Now he's on the Phillies dugout. Now he's in the Phillies dugout. The players have scattered. I've never quite seen anything like this.
Aren't you glad you got tonight's game, Burke?
Oh, my.
Well, it's definitely not a flying squirrel.
No, but it was a falling one.
Leslie, you okay down there?
Leslie, get to higher ground if
I
you can hear
have jumped onto higher ground. I am up on the camera platform now. The squirrel ran through the dugout. All of the players went scrambling, and he is now on the wall back here behind the cameras somewhere, probably fearing for his life.
Well, oh my.
Incoming!
Oh my.
Hey, we've got a visitor on the field.
I saw that. Think he's looking for some peanuts?
Uh-oh. It's going to pay Davis a visit, it appears.
It's black. Almost looked like a... I've seen a black squirrel in a while. He's going to make it out on the field. I mean, when's the last time you saw a black squirrel?
Today.
Yeah. I was like, what is that? I saw it. It came from behind home plate. And I didn't know if it was a baby kitten or what it was. Look at the tail on that guy.
And here he comes again. The squirrel has reappeared.
I wonder what he's looking for.
Food. He's going to make his way to the outfield. And so this is going to make Davis again walk off the mound and wait.
I think he's looking for a tree. I don't think he's looking for food.
First security. That squirrel is going to be ejected from the game. Where's the taser? They make announcements before every game. If you run on the field in the middle of the game, you are going to be arrested and prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.
It'll be a minute. We have a B situation out in right field. If you're watching Brewers Live pregame, the bees started to accumulate on the right field fence, so this is probably going to set us up for a little bit of a delay, and they're trying to take care of those bees right now. We see this every now and then. We've seen it a few times in San Diego. I'm not sure I've seen it here in Milwaukee.
No. The bird, yeah, I mean, now the Seagulls, Reddick's got no chance up there. I mean, they are literally flying right in front of his face. And in all honesty, Ray, I mean, it could be a problem because they're landing now on the outfield grass. Reddick's got no chance out there. For some reason, they are circling him. Zobrist on the move, and it'll drop one hop in front of the bullpen up into the seats. But you know, the Seagulls come after the game usually, and occasionally we see them late in the game, but they're usually not this low, and they're usually not here this early.
Got a few players protecting their heads.
That's right.
Yeah, this is strange, and they're in the stands usually getting the leftover goodies, but I don't know what's on the field.
Well, they are all over the outfield, and they're landing. And there's a walk. But the glove on top of the head is not a terrible idea.